Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect G4 Trade right here on cTrader. And if you want to do this, we go to brokers, load more, and then what I'm going to do is go right here to the G where we will find G4 Trade. Then right now we click here on open account, and then what we are going to do that if you don't have an account, create an account right here on G4 Trade, and you need to create that account with the same email address that you are using right here in cTrader. And you can find that by going to cTrader and then go right in the top, and then you will find right here the email address that you are using. Make sure that you create an account with that email address. Then after that, you can create an account, demo account or real account, what you prefer. And then you need to select right there the platform type. And this is very important because if you select right there MetaTrader 4 or 5, you won't get access to cTrader. So you need to select as platform cTrader. Then after that, finish your account setup. And then when you did that, you can go to cTrader because he automatically sync that account from G4 Trade to cTrader. So close your cTrader, open your cTrader again, and then you can find it right here, right in the top. Click there, and then you can find your account between one of those. I already did that for FP Markets, FTMO, Fusion Markets, FX Pro, and it works exactly the same for all the trading accounts right here. So do the 2 steps that I told you, and then after that, he will automatically find your account right here in cTrader. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.